Welcome to new backend project series. In this series, we will build role-based event management app for scratch, including authentication, authorization, event management, and database integration. And the project overview video is I am already uploaded. You can go and see. In today's part, we will set up the Express server configuration environment variable and prepare the project structure for the upcoming future. Now let's go to the computer screen. Now we are going to the VS Code and create one new folder that is name is we write the name event app because our app name is event management system app, so we write the folder name event app. Now you have to go to the event app and create one folder name is backend because first we write the backend code, then we write frontend. Okay, in the frontend code now we are set up our project to write cd backend. We are going to the backend folder. Now we write there npm init.y. They will create the web package.json file. In the backend folder you can see their package.json file is created. Now we have to install all these packages. I am already given the package's name in the description. You can go and see, copy this and paste it your terminal. They will be automatically downloaded. Here you can see any error because I am pasted too much line in one code, so there is not installed. Now we are installing manually. We create the JWT and one is the bcrypt. I think they will be also keep the error because I write anything wrong. Okay, let installed .env this much. Let's go and install. Okay, here you can see we are get always now again the error. Why? Because I think something is wrong. Now we install all the packages one by one manually. They will not give you error. Okay, so first install npm install Express because Express is to help to create server. Now we install MongoDB for the database. Okay, because in the event app we need database to store the event detail and user detail. Now we install the two more packages, that is .env and config, because they help you to store our secret key in the .env file, and the .env file and config file help to access .env file code. Now in the type section we write module because we write code in ES module. Now we create the folder structure module, define the database schema and data operations, and next is the controller, handle business logic and user request, and the third is the config, contain database and application configuration file, and fourth is the utils, store reusable helper function and utils, and fifth is the middleware, manage authentication, validation and security check, and sixth is the router, contain all APIs, endpoint and routing logic. And we will create one file app.js, the main entry point of application where the server is initialized and all configuration are connected. And last is the .env file. Store sensitive information such as database URL, API's key, and secret tokens. Now in app.js file, I first import Express from Express. Then I create a Express application, writing a const app equal to Express. Then define the port using .env file and start the server. Now once the server starts successfully, it logs as a configuration using the console on port number, and we store the port number in .env file. So just we have to go .env file and write on the capital letter port number equal to 6000. Now in the port 6000 we have to load environment variable using .env/config in the app.js file. And last we have to run our server in the console, write 10 by npx node m1 app.js. Here you can see server starting on port 6000 and 6000 port stored in the .env file. Here you can see everything is set up, but still missing the most important piece of the puzzle. In the next video we will connect our database and create the user and event schemas that will power the entry event management system. Once that done, we will be the setup closer to the implementing role-based authentication